Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. In that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. Also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on, so I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here.
Yeah, I'm just pulling some of these pallets apart here that I got for free. Something else I did, kind of did the hockey wrap on this where you wind up the tape, roll it around, then tape it up. Gives you a little bit more comfort in your hand. So if you're going to be doing this for a while, it kind of takes some of the vibration off and some of the stress off your hands a little bit there. That's something about these pry bars is everybody always kind of jams them in there and start prying like that. If you take these, get them on in there, and instead of trying to pry that way, you actually push down on it. See how easy that comes apart there? I'll do another one here. I'm not worrying about completely saving every board because these are pallets and you just aren't going to save every board. Some of them will pull apart, but this seems to, for the most part, so this one's coming in, there it goes. And sometimes they're not quite that easy, you got to go back and forth. And that gets quite a bit of it. But if I reef on this, I'm reefing on it with my knee. It came apart, but it still was a lot harder than just what I did here, where they just pushing down on it. Usually you'll push down, push up, they'll usually pop apart.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.